We are cutting Alicia glass today, and my anxiety is just a bit amped up right now. Why, you ask? Great question. This is all the glass I have. One bad break, and it could all go wrong. I don't have more glass. I'm not even sure if I could get more created. So let's dive in and hope for the best. Fun fact, not all glass cuts the same. Not all glass separates the same. In fact, every sheet is different in my opinion when it comes to how much pressure you need for scoring and separating. Plus, what approach works best? That is totally up to the artist. This is not one of those situations where I try my hand at tapping the glass because I am terrible with that. So we're sticking to my favorites, the grozing pliers and running pliers. I'm not sure if you noticed, but I stuck to cutting out the easier patterns first for a very important reason. I need to know how this glass operates. Since I'm kind of running in the dark at the moment, I can sort of play around with pressures to see how the glass feels and how easily it ticks with running pliers before getting to the stack of long, thin strips. One bad break with those and it's game over. Another fun fact, grozing pliers don't like to hold on to the rounded edges, so you look like a newbie in your videos. I've come to accept the easiest cuts are sometimes the most brutal. It's not your fault. It has nothing to do with your skills. Even if you're a new artist, sometimes the glass just sucks. And because this is white glass, it could be haunted with spirits. But we've already covered that crazy rabbit hole. Moment of truth is upon us. We use what we've learned and full send. I've already learned with this glass to trust the slightest of ticks as starting the fracture and stopping there. No need to keep pressing harder. Just start the break at the other end, and once the two ends are started, I simply need to apply pressure in the middle to connect the two dots. It's like matchmaking in a rom-com before dating apps were a thing. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time, with tips, tricks, and little bouts of anxiety sprinkled in to keep you on your toes. I do appreciate you being here for it, because now that these are cut out, we can start grinding and fitting pieces into the pattern. This will be slightly different this go round, so we'll figure it out together. God, I just love this pattern.
Let's go.